Welcome to our exploration today on analyzing supply and demand in the real estate market. In this session, we'll dissect the intricate dance between supply and demand in the real estate world, understanding how these dynamics shape property values and market trends. Overview of supply and demand in the real estate market. As we begin our journey, let's take a moment to grasp the essence of supply and demand in the real estate market. These forces are more than economic principles. They are the heartbeat of the real estate market, influencing property values and steering market trends. Supply-side factors. Now let's delve into the factors that sway the supply of real estate. One of the key players in this arena is new construction and development. The amount of available real estate is intricately connected to the ongoing projects in construction and development. Demand-side factors. Shifting our focus to the demand side, we encounter the driving forces that make the real estate market dynamic. First up, population growth. As the population increases, so does the demand for housing. Employment trends also play a significant role, influencing the types of housing in demand. Additionally, changing lifestyle preferences contribute to the varied demand for different property types. As we conclude our exploration of supply and demand in the real estate market, I want to extend a sincere thank you for joining us. If you found this information insightful, consider expressing your appreciation by hitting the like button. Share this knowledge with others who might benefit, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on real estate dynamics. Thank you for being a part of today's session.